something that I need. Yeah, I need. Ooh, ooh. You got something that I need. Yeah, I need. Ooh.
Hey everybody, Eric with the Besecker Maynard Group, and we've got a brand new waterfront listing to show you. This time we are in Catawba, which is the northwest section of Lake Norman that has perfect proximity to not only Charlotte, but Hickory as well. So come with me, let's escape down this private driveway where you're gonna find the perfect lakeside retreat that has everything that you need. Let's go. Thanks for coming on that tour with me. Can you believe that you can have all this at such an affordable price? To see this house in person, call the Besecker Maynard Group at 704-980-7020.